Let's start with a simple story problem. Here we have a story problem. We have a researcher who wants to determine the width of this pond. So he wants to figure out this width. That's our x. Now, he's standing at point B, P, and he knows that the distance to the westernmost point of the pond is 950 feet, and to the northernmost point of the pond is 1,000 feet. He also knows that the angle between those 2 points is 60 degrees. And we want to solve for x. How long is the pond? First thing I would want you to notice that this is a side angle side problem. We have 2 sides and the angle between them, which does mean it's a law of cosines problem. We do not have a complete pair. Now let's look at what I'm solving for. I'm solving for x. That is a side length, so it is squared. Next, for the law of cosines pattern, I put the other 2 sides squared and added together. Then I have minus 2. Repeat those 2 sides. Then I have cosine of the angle that is across from that side. So that would be 60 degrees. And notice that this is one of our fast solves. All we have to do is square root both sides, and that will get x by itself. And now you can just type all of that into your calculator exactly like it is to get 975.961 feet. That is the width of our pond. So that's an example of a story problem that uses the law of cosines. Let's end today's lesson with talking about another area formula. This is called Heron's formula. It's very popular on the 1060 final. It is one way to find the area of a triangle when you are given side, side, side. So if you only know the 3 side lengths of a triangle, you can actually find the area of the triangle inside it using this formula right here. You'll notice a lot of S's. S is half of the 3 sides added together. So what we're going to do in example 4, we're going to find the area enclosed by the triangle in example 2. So first thing I'm going to do is copy that triangle from example 2. We had A equals 4, C equals 5, B equals 7. This was beta, alpha, gamma. Now let's say I haven't solved anything in the triangle. I don't know the 3 angles. All I have are these 3 side lengths. I can still find the area. Start by finding that S, which is half of the 3 side lengths added together, which in this case gives me 8. Then I plug all that in to my area equation, which is that special S number. Then you take the S number and you subtract each side individually. So minus A side, S minus the B side, S minus the C side. And you just type all that into your calculator to get 9.798 units squared. So I really like Heron's formula. Usually finding the area of a triangle when you're just given the 3 sides is quite a difficult process. Heron's formula makes it super short and fast. And like I said, easiest to use Heron's formula when you have side, side, side. That's all you need to know for Heron's formula. So that is it for 5.2 Law of Cosines. You are officially done learning everything there is about Law of Cosines. You can get started on your homework.